Where are we headed?
Where are we headed? How are we gonna get there?
Anna.
We're headed to Malaysia. And we have a crazy ass Airbnb host who keeps messaging me. We're going to Malaysia. And it's really hot.
It's 5 a.m. here in Bangkok, and we are walking towards a taxi because we need to go to the airport. We are headed to Malaysia.
Got to the airport at 5:55 and it's 6:13. That means we got through immigration, security, and checked our bags within 20 minutes. I think we're off to a good day. Hey, the sun's coming up. Wow. Look at that.
Oh,
I
that
can't
is
wait for
beautiful.
sunrises on the beach soon.
Anna's back there exchanging Thai baht for Malaysian money, and everything went pretty smoothly.
We've never seen Malaysian currency.
It's the first time we've ever seen it. This is how Anna looks every flight. Must be nice.
What do you mean? I got you a seat.
I give her window seat because I stay up the whole time and I don't sleep because I'm crazy.
I said you can have the window, and then he just says, no, I'm used to it.
We'll be in Malaysia in no time.
Oh, yeah.
We got very lucky on this flight. No one in the middle. Anna just got so excited because she saw palm trees out there.
There's like a banana.
We just landed in Malaysia. It feels good.
It feels refreshing, and I napped on the plane, and I never nap, so I'm excited.
It's gonna be a big day. We're gonna go see the Petronas Towers. So the majority of Malaysia is Muslim, so Anna has to cover up. I do too, kind of, but she has to wear pants and a shirt in most places.
I don't have to, but I've read that it's just more respectful, but I've also read that tourists wear whatever they want, so it just depends how comfortable I want to feel.
I bet once we get to the islands of Borneo, we're gonna be able to wear swimsuits and dress however we want, but in the capital of Kuala Lumpur, I think we're gonna be respectful.
Here in Malaysia, there are no forms to enter, so you don't need an arrival card or a departure card, and you have 90 free days with no visa. That's crazy.
Help me believe, yes, I could be, and all that I am. This is the highway I am.
I'm such a bad boyfriend.
It's okay, I don't forgive you. Yes, I do.
They both came here.
Yay! Dude, this has been the easiest trip ever.
First impressions on Malaysia is that driving is much less congested, the roads are cleaner, and it's much more beautiful. Like on the way to the city, there's palm trees lining up the roads.
I don't know, it just feels nice here. It's not like all buildings the whole way. Like even Bangkok and outside of Bangkok is all buildings. There's like land here. It feels really nice.
Because our Airbnb doesn't let us check in till 3 p.m., we just decided to get dropped off at one of the biggest tourist sites in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, and it is the twin Petronas Towers. They're the tallest twin towers in the world. It's pretty amazing. We're both so tired. Anna's got to get her big ass bag on. Wow. Anna, what do you say? Wow, Anna.
Wow, Anna.
That's Anna's dad. They're so tall. They're connected in the middle. Anna, what are your thoughts on the Petronas?
No, I really like Kuala Lumpur. It's cool. It's nothing like Bangkok. Like I thought it was gonna be the exact same. Is donking a word?
No, we're not donking
really
Bangkok.
Like donking.
Yeah, I like that too. We're not donking Bangkok. We're just saying it's different here, alright? The towers are cool to look at for about 10 minutes. And then it's hot as balls here, like Anna said, so we're gonna head into the food court, actually in the Petronas Towers. So we're headed in right now. Anna's about to faint. We need water. Someone save us. Getting some food. I'm done, of course. We're trying to get used to the prices and like everything, the language, so first days in any country are a little confusing, but I think we're getting the hang of it just because it's still Southeast Asia. We are headed to our Airbnb, which Anna got at a really good price. It has an infinity pool and it's only $15 a night, which is insane. So we're gonna go check it out now. Just got to our room. It's pretty basic. Got a bed, got Anna, got aircon, got a desk, but this is a cool view. You have the river and train, but then in the distance, you can see where we were just at. The Petronas Twin Towers and the whole city, which is very cool. Travel days are pretty rough around here, but once you get through them, you get to go to an infinity pool. So it's only $15 a night here. Are you kidding me? Holy shit.
Alright, let me bitch. So first of all, before getting to this place, this whatever Airbnb person messaged me like 10,000 emails this long with rules. So I already knew this was gonna be like crazy. But just getting here, they've asked for my passport 3 times. They asked you to sign in to go to the pool. Bad vibes. Like, let's just do what we want to do. That's what we're used to doing.
Yeah, what Anna's saying is because we just came from Bangkok, you can literally do anything you want in Bangkok. In Thailand, there is no rules, but here, it seems like there's a lot of rules, which we're kind of nervous about. We're going to make the best of it, though.
Okay, we just had the most amazing dinner of our lives at our place, and we want to just show you the view from our apartment. So this is the apartment living area, and again, only $15 a night. Now we're gonna make our way to the balcony.
Check this out. It's like you're on the outskirts of a city with the noise very down, and then you get the beautiful view.